Architect, join us here. Welcome to this episode. In this episode, I will teach you how to do wall opening or how to create a wall opening in your design. Okay, so with that much ado, let's start. In this, as you all could see, this is a very nice design that it's been done. So we would want to, create a wall opening here. So this is the living area and this is a bar, but there is no wall opening or any access from the living area to the bar. So we will do just that. Okay, so before we start, you just have to draw our section line. Good. And we just have to turn it to this side. Good. So just hit on it, the apex of it. So this is it. This is where we would do or we would design our opening. So you just click on the wall that you would want to do the opening for, and section 1, and then you just hit on edit. Okay, so this is the boundary of your wall. So this is exactly how we would want it to be, and this is exactly how we would do our opening. You can actually do the opening any way you want it. Actually, with it being circle, square, or any shape you want your opening to be, but it should be an axis. Okay, so at this moment I would want to do my own opening. Okay, so I'll choose this line which says line and just draw something. To the height of 2100. This is 7 feet, and then 1000, let's say 500 exactly. This will do. Okay, and then just let's draw a line from here and then a line from here. Okay, so you just have to trim and extend this line. Just hit on this line which is trim or extend. So this is our axis, this is our opening, but we would also want to do something very nice to it to make it look very nice and real to people. So let's do something very cool, something very nice, something like a glass or an opening, or something very nice. So just copy this one here and do the same thing. Just hit here and copy, and do the same here as well. Do the same thing here as well. Do the same thing here, and I think this is okay. This is very nice. This is okay. Okay, so let's edit this opening. We would want this opening to look something of, like something very, very, very nice. So let's do just that. Okay, and select this line. Okay, trim and extend. Good. And trim and extend this line as well. This line as well. And this lines as well. And this line as well. So this is what we have got. But you just have to edit again for it to look even more awesome. So select this line again, select arc, and then just do something like this. Do the same thing here, and this is cool. This is I'll probably fix this side as well, and this is okay. Okay, this is okay. So this is our opening that we have done, and as you all can see, the bar side now have an opening to the living room. So this is the opening we have just done. Okay, okay, so this is how we create an opening in a wall. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. It really helps us a lot.